How to install Medal. Welcome back to Glit Sorcerer, and let's get right into this tutorial. To install your Medal, all you have to do is open up a browser that you prefer on your device. Search for medal.tv and you'll be redirected to the official site of your Medal. Now you can easily download it by tapping on the download option, and you will have to extract it and install according to the processes that you do for your all of the other application or software. It might take a while depending on the size of it and also your Wi-Fi connection. Once you have easily installed your Medal, you will see a login interface. Let me go ahead and show you the interface you will see. You will find a login interface like this. You can easily select the option of your Discord, Google, TikTok, Steam, Twitter, Riot Games, Facebook, Apple ID, or even Xbox to log in. If not, you can even manually log in using your username and your email. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.